Hello friends, welcome to Mac World. My name is A. Navin Kumar. In this channel, I am dealing with engineering mathematics subject. This is the best platform for diploma students to learn technical subject and maths, physics, chemistry also. This is brief introduction about myself. Again, my name is A. Navin Kumar. My 10th GPA is 9.8. My diploma percentage is 95. I studied diploma in GPT Visakhapatnam. I secured ESET rank 18. Presently, I am pursuing BTech in JNTK Kakinada. My BTech GPA is 8.3. This is the course content of engineering mathematics for diploma students. The main topics are algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, differential calculus, applications of derivative. Let's see the brief introduction of each course content. In Unit 1, that is algebra, we have logarithms, partial fractions and matrices. We have already studied the logarithms, and in this chapter we have knew that partial fractions and matrices. In matrices, we have to know that what is the matrix, what are the types of matrices, and algebra of matrix, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication, product, etc. And we have also to know that what is a symmetric matrix, what is skew-symmetric matrix, etc. This is unit 2, that is trigonometry. In 10th class we already studied that basics of trigonometry, but in diploma we studied little much depth. In this chapter we have to study the trigonometric ratios, compound angles, multiple and submultiple angles, transformation of product into sum and difference, inverse trigonometry and trigonometric equations, and the properties and solution of triangle, hyperbolic functions and complex numbers. This is the main topic for ESET as well as subject also, that is coordinate geometry. In this we have to study more depth, straight lines, circle. In circle we have to also read that ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, and what are the standard forms also. Next, unit 4, differential calculus. In this we have to learn about the limits and continuity, how to apply derivative also. After knowing the derivatives we have to apply, that is unit 6, applications of derivative. In this chapter we have to apply the derivative to physical methods, and this is the reference books for engineering mathematics. I suggest to follow VGS and Falcon and Radiant publications to understand and analyzing the concepts. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share to your friends.